Okay, so here we are, another day in paradise. So Paul is probably gonna knock this out. He got his shit all cleaned up, looking real nice. But yeah, so he already put baking soda in there, and then did you like rub it in or?
Yeah, I used a brush and.
So he put like baking soda in there, scrubbed it with a wire brush, and then used water and washed it out to kill the battery acid because it kept fucking.
It eats through the paint.
And kept eating through the paint. Should use the truck bed liner.
You did.
Was that what was in there?
I think we tried that once. This is just regular, I think.
Oh yeah, maybe that is.
Is it the bed liner?
I don't know.
It's weak, whatever it is, because it's coming off here too.
I don't remember what the fuck we used.
Let's use tractor paint, the ultimate paint.
So yeah, he's gonna lay down some tractor paint, but you know, obviously all paint prep and all that shit's gonna go down. But I figure I'll just do this little intro to this because you've already watched us paint 1,000 fucking things.
Been done once last year.
So, and like, well, they would have just literally watched probably like a week or two before me paint my fucking diffuser.
Yeah.
Even though I'm sure they're gonna see us paint a lot of shit. That's what we do. That's what we do. We're professional painters.
That stuff?
Yeah, we just painted that stuff. But yeah, so I guess well, I'm gonna try and get done. I don't know how much we're gonna get done on it because I don't know how much I really feel like doing anything today. But I'm gonna try and get my taillight panel, like start working on the taillight panel mount. So that's gonna be the plan. And then I'll bust out the GoPro, it's up there, and I'll bust that out and probably film that because
Painting is exciting.
painting is super exciting. Not like, I don't even know how exciting that stuff is, but yeah. So that's gonna be the game plan. Let's just hop right into it and get this shit done. Alright, so the game plan here is I'm gonna put like I have some of this flat stock here. I think it's like 1 inch flat stock or something like that, 1/8, or it's 1 inch by 1/8. So we're gonna basically cut a little piece that will go right here, and then it's going to basically we're gonna put some nuts in here, sandwich it, and we'll tighten that down to that, and then we'll do the same thing over there, and then I'm gonna run some of this round, I think it's 1/2 inch tubing. We're gonna run that across, and that should do the job. But yeah, so that's kind of the plan. Let's just go ahead and get started. So we got this side cut and this side cut. I'm gonna go try and find some nuts to put on these things. And then we should be able to get this length piece cut and get that welded on. So let's do that. So it's in there, that's welded, they're bolted on. Right now I'm working on making this guy. It's cut to length, and I went ahead and marked where I need to drill holes. I'm gonna have to try and find those bolts, so that's probably something I should do. But we're gonna drill these out, and I'm gonna try and find those screws so we can get this bolted on, and then as soon as that's bolted on, then we're gonna go ahead and get the what'll attach from here down to here. So let's do that. Alright, it's tacked in. as you can tell. Kind of left it as a surprise till right meow. I kind of made it of the same pattern down there, so it should look pretty neat. Already looks pretty neat. So all I have to do now is unbolt everything and take it off and fully weld it. So let's do that. Just got it painted, and it is smoky in here. We always make sure we use a well-ventilated area when we're painting here at Garageless. But yeah, so now I got to let that dry. Luckily it's like 40-ish, 45 degrees, so definitely below what you should be spraying this stuff at. But yeah, so now I got to let that dry. Once that dries, then we can go ahead and get it installed, and then the taillight panel is done. So let's go check out what the fuck Paul's been up to. See what kind of mischief he's been up to. So he took out the taillights and he painted this back piece because that was red. And he got all this painted. Hopefully that lasts. Hopefully, yeah. We've only painted it like 3 times. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully that'll last. If that don't, then
take it out.
Cut it out.
Pretty much.
Get some pour 15. That'll do the fucking trick. That stuff goes on like tar.
Yeah, that would do.
Except it's expensive. And there's the the fuck is that?
Bulkhead.
A bulkhead. So basically this connector will.
In there.
Oh, it's on there.
Yeah, I want to see how far it went in.
So this guy will be attached to his motor, and then but that part just unbolts off and it comes off. So the whole engine harness is separate. So that works out pretty sweet. And then, yep.
Yeah, it's a mess in there. You gotta move that thing out of the way.
But yeah, it's back behind there. That's a pretty good location where it comes in. So, but yeah, that's how that's sitting. So that'll be next on the agenda. Eventually. That's gonna be not exciting. I think what we're gonna do is pretty much make up the harness. I don't know. Basically, it's gonna suck. Not excited.
That's pretty much it.
And then today we noticed one thing that we kind of screwed up on the coolant is there is no coolant temperature sensor. So what we're gonna probably do is that block off plate we made for where the thermostat housing used to be. We're pretty much gonna drill and tap it, and then we'll do it that way. That should more than solve that problem. Just gotta figure out what we gotta drill out to and threads. Huh?
Radiator.
That one.
Thought we were gonna do the radiator.
Because that one's cleaner.
What?
You were telling me that one last time.
And then I said radiator. And you said, yeah, good idea.
No, I said back of that, good idea. That, I don't know. I don't know if there's going to be a disadvantage to putting it in the radiator. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter because all your coolant should be the same temp, basically. I don't know.
Just do duals.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know. I figured in that one's the best because then you know the coolant temperature in your block.
Doesn't matter. The fan's gonna be on all the time anyway after it starts running.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's a hot motor.
But yeah, that's where we're at. Now we gotta just pretty much wait for paint to dry. So that's what we do. All right. Well, there it is. It's in. Lights are completely bolted in, and then plugged in and all that shit. Obviously, I mean, it will have to come off again because it's got to get painted, and I also have to fix that light still. But other than that, it's in there. It doesn't really move too much. Should be fine. Worst case scenario, I could end up adding another mounting point right in the middle. Yeah, it looks cool. Kind of matches what's down there. Can't really see. Yeah, kind of matches what's down there. Yeah, looks pretty sweet. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this one. You know, Joe. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.